Hello, this is Sam with BlindShell. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the basics of navigating on the BlindShell Classic mobile phone. We navigate through the items on the phone by using the directional pad here in the center of the keypad. For the majority of our navigating, we're going to be clicking left or right on the directional pad here.
Messages 2 of 9. Contacts 3 of 9. More applications 4 of 9.
If I press the other way,
Contacts 3 of 9. Messages 2 of 9.
I just go back in the menu. If I want to interact with an item in the menu, say I want to get into my messages here, I simply press the large OK button, which is in the center of the directional pad. I can also press the answer button, which is the second one down on the left. That's also a green button. Both of those buttons act as an OK button.
Write SMS to contact 1 of 6.
Now if I want to go back to the previous item, I simply press the end call button, which is the second one down on the right. It's the hang up button. It's also a red button.
Messages 2 of 9.
That takes me back. The red end call button, the second one down on the right, is also kind of the master escape hatch. No matter where I am on the phone, I can long press on that button and it will take me all the way back to the very first item in the very first menu.
Call 1 of 9.
So if you ever get confused about where you are on the phone, just long press the end call button, second one down on the right. That will take you back to the beginning. Now we can also press up or down on the directional pad, and those give us very specific results. Pressing up on the directional pad will get us into our status menu.
10:23, Thursday, July 25th, 2019, 1 of 5.
And in this menu you have access to the time, date, your network connections, battery level, things like that. I've got a whole tutorial talking about the status menu. And then whenever we press down on the directional pad, it simply reads out whatever is on the screen.
Call 1 of 9.
So once again, pressing down just reads what's on the screen.
Kevin Eastman, 1 of 2.
And that's great also if you ever get lost on the phone, you're not sure what's on the screen, you can simply press down on the directional pad and it will read it out loud. And those are the basics for navigating the BlindShell Classic mobile phone. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If you'd like to see more of our tutorials, be sure to visit our YouTube channel.